need you to listen to me, okay? I want you to lock every door and every window in that house. Do you understand me? Nobody in, nobody out.
I understand, Dad.
Whatever this thing is, it's making people very sick and very violent. They're not telling us everything, but it's spreading really fast.
There's a party tonight. We can't leave the house. We're alone, Emma. We can do it.
Hey! Yo, I'm talking to you! Answer me!
Daisy? Did you get in your eyes?
Spread of work. No signs of stopping inside the United States.
She's infected. We can't leave her.
Emma, you can't stop this thing. It takes over your body and it turns into something else.
Gotta fight it. Emma, please wait. No!